Hello, and I'm glad you're interested in Dream High. In this video, we're going to talk about R and how we use it in the course. Before we get into it, let's talk about R. R is a free statistical software that is used to analyze data. R is used by people in many different professions, including healthcare, psychology, and social media. Now let's talk about how we will use R in Dream High. We will use R to analyze breast cancer data. This data includes the expression levels of 18,000 genes in samples from hundreds of patient tumors. We will also look at information used to diagnose the breast tumors. You will learn how to use functions, create heat maps, find the relationship between two variables, and more. Also, R allows us to create applications or apps. In this course, you will learn how to create your own. Now, let's look at some examples of things you'll be creating in R. This is an example of a heat map you will be creating in the course. The gray box at the top of the screen shows the code that was written to create this heat map. The heat map color codes genes that have high and low expression levels. We will discover patterns in the data using this heat map. Here is another example of something you will be creating in the course. This graph compares the expression levels of genes in two different breast cancer cell lines. We see that many genes are expressed differently in the two cell lines. This will give us clues about what cellular behavior underlies the disease. As stated earlier, R allows us to create apps. This is an example of an app we will be looking at in the course. When the course is over, you have the option of completing a final project. This final project is a great way to demonstrate all that you have learned. Here is an example of something you will be creating for the final project. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you this summer. For more information on the course, please visit dream-high.org.